We are looking at how to pronounce these words as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing vocabulary in English, so make sure to stay tuned to learn more. So how do you say it or say them? The top word is the singular form of the word and is pronounced as woman. Wa, a wa, an o sound here. Woman, stress on the first syllable. Both British and American pronunciations are similar for both words. Woman is the top word here, the singular, woman. Now the bottom word is the plural when there are several women. Women, so a we sound rather than a wa sound. Women is the only difference. The first syllable is the only difference. Women is the bottom word here, the plural, women. The singular form is woman. And now, you know, did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting but often confusing words that many mispronounce. Learn more English. Watch those videos. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.